In this video, let's learn how to sort data in Google Sheets. Now we can sort our data using the sort function or without the sort function. Let's start with an introduction to sorting data. Sort sorts data in a range. Data can be sorted by specific columns or column. Data can be sorted in an ascending or descending order. And lastly, sorted data is updated automatically if the data in the source range changes. Now let's sort the data by the price column in an ascending order using the sort function. I'll hit on the equal sign and then type sort. Follow that with my range and follow that with a comma, then 2, which is the column, then comma, and then true, which stands for ascending, and then enter. So our data has been sorted. So let's try changing a price in the unsorted data to see if it will update in the sorted data. Enter. As you can see, our data has been updated. Now let's sort our data without the sort function. I'll start by selecting my range, including the headers. Then I'll go to data, click on it, come to sort range, and then come down here to advanced range sorting options. Click on that. And then it will give me a box here. Data has header row. Yes. I'll check the box. And then it will say sort by items. I'll click on the drop down. I'm sorting by price. So I will click on price. And then come here. It's already in an ascending order by default. So I don't have to change that. I'll just come down here and select sort. And there you go. Our data has been sorted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Try it out and have a good day.